Hello everyone, this is Nora and welcome to Lockdown 101 Recipes. Because most of you all like my monotone commentary, I will continue doing so for some time till you all start hating me. This week's recipe, as you can see, is a Seekh Kebab Kulcha Pizza. If you haven't subscribed to my channel A Classic Mom yet, press that red subscribe button. It is absolutely free and the bell icon will tell you when I upload my next awesome recipe. Buying kulchas off the shelf from my local kirana store has been the greatest discovery this lockdown. It works best when you do not want to make those damn rotis or parathas standing for hours in the kitchen. I actually got this idea from my mom-in-law who told us to try this harvest gold kulchas, and it turned out to be a great meal when combined with chole, malai paneer or seekh kebab for that matter. But as you know, we Indians can do anything and can use anything in this world to twist and turn around to create a new recipe. So here you go. I use kulcha as a pizza base from now onwards to make these insane pizzas with Indian flavors bursting in your mouth. So let's start with taking the kulchas out of the packet and grilling the opposite side after greasing it with oil or butter. You can see the kulchas are nice and crisp after grilling it for 15 minutes. Now let's load the other side, grease it with oil, dab dab dab. Then take some pizza sauce that you can also make at home. I might make this in another episode and upload it for you guys in the future. But now I am taking ready-made pizza sauce that is available in the market. But if you want to do some jugaad, take 2 spoonfuls of tomato ketchup and add some Italian seasoning. It will do as good. Moving on, now I'm loading this up with 2 cubes of grated Amul cheese. As you know, the more the cheese, the better the taste. You can alternatively use mozzarella cheese, but because this is a lockdown recipe, we have limited resources at home and I am using Amul cheese. Spread it generously. Now I'm sprinkling some oregano and chili flakes. And because I am making an Indian flavor pizza, I am adding seekh kebabs. These are cooked. Please do not put raw kebabs on pizzas as we will be using the grill mode in microwave and it might not cook from inside. I have sauteed it for 3 to 4 minutes. You can add salami, sausages, paneer, tofu, anything you want. Now I'm putting some chopped onions, also putting tomatoes, red bell peppers, blue bell peppers, green bell peppers, any bell peppers you want. See, it actually looks like an Independence Day special recipe. All colors of the flag, green, white, blue. Okay, blue is missing. So anyways, now I'm putting more grated cheese, sprinkling some seasoning, and then it is off to the grill for 15 minutes. The cheese melts. Every microwave has its own setting, so you have to see your own setting. Please don't follow the setting instructions according to my microwave. Now our cheese has melted and we are out with crispy Seekh Kebab Kulcha Pizza. Yum, yum, yum. So that is it for this week. This is Nora Bali signing off. Do subscribe to my channel for more awesome recipes.